Each of our bagging machines and palletizing systems are tailored to the customer's needs and the product to be bagged. That is why we offer customer-specific inspection and maintenance contracts. With these, you will receive competent support and advice for your equipment, while also enjoying additional benefits. The service team will contact you and prepare a tailor-made offer that provides various advantages. Reliable operational readiness through constant inspection of the machines. A resulting optimal performance and efficiency over many years. Price advantage compared to an individual contract. Constant modifications reduce unexpected breakdowns to a minimum. Requested date for a recurring service is prioritized. Safe system management thanks to helpful tips from experienced experts. Our inspection and maintenance contracts guarantee improved planning security, optimum performance and reliability of your machine for many years to come. STATEC Binder. Highly efficient bagging and palletizing solutions.